Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by getting essential tools ready. Node.js for running JavaScript and Git for version control. Once installed, create your project folder and run npm initY to generate package. JSON, this tracks dependencies. Make a git ignore listing node modules and build artifacts to avoid unnecessary pushes. Initialize the Git repository, stage files with git add, and commit. This first commit captures a working baseline you can push to GitHub. It sets you up to link a remote next. Now connect your local repo to GitHub. Create a remote repository on GitHub and choose SSH or HTTPS. SSH reduces password prompts if you configure keys. Run git remote add origin URL, set your main branch with git branch main, and push using git push uorigin main to upload history and set up stream tracking. Once pushed, add a GitHub/workflows CI file to run linters and tests automatically. This ensures every push validates your JavaScript and prevents broken builds in the shared repo. You continue by developing on feature branches and opening pull requests for review. This preserves main as stable. Once ready, tag releases with semantic versions and push tags so GitHub creates release notes. Deploy from main using GitHub Actions or another pipeline. If something goes wrong, check the GitHub Actions log for failures, reproduce the error locally, examine package versions and test output, then fix code or update dependencies. After committing, push and the CI will rerun to confirm resolution.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.